Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Honor X6. So in the first step we have to open the Google folder and look for the Google Photos app. If you don't have this app, you can download it in the Google Play Store, of course. So we have to open it. And now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, tap on it and click here on the Google S icon and hold process. Starting automatically, and now we are looking for the similar or the exactly same photo in the Google Image database. You can see there you have a exactly same picture like in my gallery. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.